So how do you share anything from the Android device to the iPad? Let me talk about it and give you some ways how you could approach this. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, the Android device and iPad are not obviously from the same brand, so we cannot use things like Quick Share or AirDrop, which are built into individual devices, and we need to connect them through a third-party app. The one I would recommend you for this purpose would be one called Send Anywhere. And this is an app which you can literally get on any device. So you can open up the iPad's App Store, download it right there, as well as on the Google Play on your Android. And once you have it downloaded and set up, you can go to your Android device. For example, open up a photo and click on the sharing options. This Send Anywhere app should definitely appear to be one of them. If not, try to see all of the options and it should be somewhere buried down. But yeah, you should be able to share the photo using the Send Anywhere app. Then, once you are in the page of sharing, just go to the iPad, open up the same app, and go to the Receive section. And the whole point is that you can type in the code from the iPad to the iPad from the Android device, and the photo or whatever the file was is going to be shared and moved over into the iPad. I mentioned in one of my videos that I like this service, and there are some ads which I don't really mind because it's a great and freely available service. So yeah, you might get an ad and yeah, you just wait through it and you can see that the file is going to be ready and available on the iPad. So I think that it gets the job done very well. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried it before, and if you do try it now, then let me know how it went. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.